Now, did you find that trading came naturally to you? Because you were at kind of the forefront of trading blocks and trading what's known as proprietary, meaning taking positions and dealing with risk. Was that something that came naturally, or was that a function of learning and getting passed down from these mentors that you're talking about?
Well, it was a bit of both. I started off in my early life as a busboy when I was 12 or 13 years old. Before that, I had a paper route. And with a paper route at the Toronto Star, you had those little tickets back in the day. And you had to think very quickly for the people that would pay you on time, because I'm only, 8 years old. I can't bankroll my paper route. So half the time they don't open the door. When they do open the door, they're having dinner. They don't want to talk to you. They definitely don't want to pay you. So you have to hand the ticket and they give you $1, and you got to figure out that change of 37 cents or whatever it may be very quickly. And you got to have it ready. So I had to train myself to make sure that just to stay afloat in this, 4-block business I had going on, that I had to think fast in numbers. So it became very easy over time as I grew older to stay with numbers and stay with the business. What the stock market did for me was getting engaged into it and getting engaged with different people. I find in any business, for you to take an interest in becoming a success, you have to do the work, but also you have to have a passion or a liking for it. So I started investing pretty well day one when I first came into the business. And I can't say I made any money. My return was probably negative 90% in my first year of investing, like most people that go to the casino. But practice makes perfect, and you start learning how to invest versus trade versus, gamble. And, all of which have a validity. Sometimes you're lucky gambling. Some people are good at it. I wasn't, but I was good at trading and I was good at investing. And where you have, the trend is your friend, there's certain things that will continue to go on. Being patient and being quick to make decisions is always the key thing of being a great trader. And then what would go over and above that is a firm with a bunch of great research and analysts, so you actually have the knowledge base to make the decisions that gives you the ammunition to say yes or no to a block. But like I said, it was a tough business because from the start, they expect you to lose money. If you lose on a value of your commission, so let's say you do $10 million of commissions, you're expected as a liability trader to lose $2 million, but no, not more, because
Right.
your commissions offset that. Because your big business in corporate finance fees, which is 5% or higher. That
Right.
being said, one of the key things I was able to have a long-term average of 10%, which I guess in a batting order would have got me up around 300 or 400 as a baseball player.